Want to pull just part of a text string in Excel? The left, right, and mid functions let you grab any characters you need in seconds. Imagine getting a spreadsheet full of product codes like ABC12345, XY, and needing just one part. Copying each piece by hand wastes hours of your day. Start with the left function, click an empty cell, type left, then select your text cell and enter how many characters to grab from the start. The right function works the same way but grabs from the end. Mid lets you start anywhere, give it a start position and how many characters you want. Look at those results. Left pulls ABC, right pulls XY, and mid pulls the 5-digit number from the middle. Your data is clean and ready to use. You now know how to use left, right, and mid to extract any text in Excel. Hit like and subscribe so you never miss a time-saving Excel tip.